Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be unveiling the fourth and final knife of my 90,000 subscriber live giveaway event, which occurs tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, right here on my YouTube channel. So that's just in a few hours. Look at the date on this video. If you're watching this on the same day that I'm uploading it, you have a chance to win this and some other awesome prizes, including a CBM M4, completely and totally unused Kershaw Blur. We have the DLT Trading exclusive Demco 8020.5 in OD green and black. And then, of course, the ProTech Malibu, which is textured and comes in CPM 20 CV. But this final knife here is actually more valuable than all of these put together, and I'm going to unveil it. How do you enter, right? I'm sure a lot of people are going to be asking that. You'll need to participate in the live event. Entry will be exclusive to the live event, so just show up tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'll give you instructions on how to enter. So, the final knife is a Hinder. Only a couple of you guessed. Woo, man, these are hard to get. Of course, the first one I actually managed to get my hands on, which, by the way, no special favors. I managed to get this right off the Hinderer website. Just got lucky. There were 3 left, and I grabbed one. I did pay for it with channel funds. So, what do we have here? I have not actually been in this box yet. Oh, boy. Oh, it's a big boy. Yeah. So, what we've got in this bag is a brand new XM24 Bowie in black G10 and CPM 20 CV with a working finish. So, this is, oh yeah, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Black G10, I thought that you guys might like that, but I also actually have another scale that I'm going to be including with this guy. This is just, let's see if we can, yeah, just perfect. Check the centering on that guy. Right down the middle. I think the Bowie blade, man, this is the first time I've actually ever handled an XM24 Bowie, and I don't think they did, maybe I'm mistaken. I'm not really sure. I've never actually handled one, but the balance on it is so nice. And you get that Bowie grind, just a very extended Bowie grind. Yeah, this is really cool. Yes, they do come standard tip down. I can switch that for you before, you know, whoever wins, I can switch that out if you'd like me to. So this is a big knife, substantially larger than any of the knives out here. These are going to weigh about 7.5 ounces. It's a thick, chunky boy coming in at 187 thousandths on the spine. And I think at least 165 thousandths on the titanium on the right side. And, you know, obviously same thickness on the left between the titanium and G10. But yes, very cool. Everything is in order with this guy. No blade play, no lock stick, no pivot lash, and a nice heavy detent. So, the winner is going to be receiving all 4 of these. I'll also include some stickers and things like that. But this is the 90,000 subscriber giveaway package. These knives cost about $600 if you know, like me, are able to actually snag one off of a website. But they generally go for a lot more than that on the secondary market because of the demand. So you'll be able to customize this however you want after you receive it. The hard part is actually getting the knife. But also, like I said, I've got an extra scale I'll send with it. It's my forest green frag pattern scale from Monkey Edge. I don't use it anymore, so I'm happy to send that one along. But yeah, this should be quite the event. So, like I said, make sure and join me tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time for quite the live event. It should be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. Again, this is for you guys. This knife was actually purchased with funds that you donated during my 80,000 subscriber live stream, which was way too generous, so I decided to use that money and buy something and give it back to you. I also bought the Malibu, but these 2 items were provided This from DLT, and this from my friend Al the Science Pal. Very, very, very generous. 4 very cool knives, very sought after knives. So I'm hoping that you guys are really happy. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, right? It doesn't matter if you're brand new. Yeah, you can win. If you're somebody who's been around since day one, you can win. I do this kind of stuff a lot. I really enjoy it, and plan on continuing on to 100K and beyond. I'm really just kind of beside myself that this happened so quickly. But yeah, really cool. No cost of entry. You do not need to be a patron. You do not need to have joined the membership program. If you are watching, you can win. There will be some additional rules, which I'll go over in the live stream. But that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. Hope to see you there. If you enjoyed this video or you're excited, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.